Hello, welcome back. The next step, step 4, is to look for quotes to use in your essay. Using quotes in your essay is one way to show the reader that you can find proof that you understand the ideas in the readings. If you'll turn to page 7 of the handout, we'll go through this process together. Using quotes can describe either the main idea of the essay or give information that can be used to further prove one of your ideas. I recommend finding short quotes rather than longer quotes, perhaps maybe one or the longest 2 sentences, so that you have room to explain the quotes using your own ideas. You never want to include a quote without being sure to link it back to your thesis and to explain exactly what the author is writing about. So that remember, when you use a quote in your essay, you need to put quotation marks around it. Let's look at an example. Let's pretend that you read the following quote by Sue Smith and wish to use it in your essay. So let's say that the following is a quote. "I learned that there is unlimited cruelty in the world and unlimited kindness too." You might write in your essay, Smith writes, "I learned there is unlimited cruelty in the world and unlimited kindness too, period," end quotes. So note there is a comma before the quote, and the period comes before the end quote. Notice I give credit to the author. Later on in the paragraph, I need to explain what that quote means and how it relates to my main idea. Remember that you can also paraphrase in your essay. This means including ideas in your essay that the author provides without quoting directly. If the author writes, "I can't believe how stupid I was when I was a teenager, believing everything I heard," you might paraphrase by writing, "The author feels he was gullible when he was younger and regrets this very much." So notice, I'm still writing "the author feels," so it's clear that it's not my ideas but the author, but I'm using different words rather than the words taken directly from the text. So there's no quotation marks in this situation when you're paraphrasing. Remember that you can also find quotes in the reading that disagree with the ideas you're presenting. You can explain why you disagree in your paragraph. Now find 1 or 2 quotes from the reading that you can use as you explain about the importance of money or the need to get away from home for a while. One possible quote from the reading is, so let's look back on page 11 of the essay and look at one quote that might be helpful in our essay. "Many more workers feel more confident they can get the job done at work than at home." So this quote could be used to help your argument that people chose to be away from home because they aren't truly happy there. So you need to explain what this quote means. Feel free to use the essay that's included in this handout to write an essay and bring it in to us, and we can look at it together and see how effective it is. Again, you'll get a different reading on the actual exam, but this practice might be helpful for you.